Mwancho murigereria bwakire buya ime ya Getembe TV chinsa cha bono mambe ndochenga ritukoria Jumanne nende umunguru atwanjire twanyarire korirora ritukeriga ringencho korene ni ongo saba okwabera sengencho ndochenga chitagika ange wetani 20 chanyarire kubutoka igoro ye chinsa 12 cha bono mambe korende na kwariganire asenchira ere eyabene kegima ime yo morobere bwetani ya Getembe ase ekengeste kega egetangani kegima gekionga chinsa 12 karibu sana irinde tunyare gusanga nae umoncho murigereria ari agenderete kurwa ase chinsemo ona boigo irinde tunyare kwemanya narari agenderete gutokuna intubuna amwanya getinge enase nchira ya bene gukuboria unyare gusanga na inje ase chinsemo cha Facebook chinsemo cha YouTube na boigo wetera ase enamba yesiminche nkurukwa Matilda Obaigwa na aboigo kurwa magega yechi kamera nere Wilfred Matundra na Havila Kariri kurwa ase studio ya kabere ritukoria Jumanne rituko turachikona na obosemi anene mono ekirondo chinga ritukeriga aria rero turachi gukwanira ainchira gose oinchira uranyari kubeka obugima obwao ukoba obwengencho gose naki umuntu okomenya goika kwanyara gwisandika nga ambaino obugima buri kwamenyire kwanyarire gokonya gose kwanyare gukuna amagima y'abantu bande abange igo ngake wika chitsa ibere chalero mambe ntuchi gutwara umugeni eri tunyare kurigereria ane mono naki abantu bakonyara ko irera nonye abanyanyimbo atogukwanira oburai tokwanira nabo igo enchira yokombenya ke mwanya bantu igo karibu sana na keweka ensa monto chego swanere so mienda asukurigiria chigazeti chirituko riarero narero togochukana na amangana mangi anne mono oposemia igoro yenjira turanyare kumenya somolembe na boigo ase ogwanjana karibu sana ase keonga chinsa 12 echa bono mambia kurinde ne kirongo chaka chinsa cha bono mambia Hongo chaka kurwa ase county ya Kisii nekira bono kurwa abamenye kurwa chinsemo echochire asobogataka tibo mochi obosongo bono banyarire kurera amache atayo ase chinsemo kobwatekana anengane yo nigo banyarite gusangane gitaseni kya Getembe na bange babo bakorera buna nigo babire bakorwa chibesa cyo gusangereri gose chibesa cyo kubekirwa amache ase chinyomba cyabo kurende ase bataranyora amache ngano nyinari bawakanera nigo abo utatiga chinga kibune chiga chembura tibari konyora amache nekiro bakuburia nge serikali county enyare kurigereria ngane yo na nene muno ekiro bono riro baria gusi rimanyekanete ngabuna amache tari koboraro na boigo embura nigo egotwa ekiro asekiro musekito Daniel Ontiri na nyarite gusanga negati yabamenye bo mucyo bosongo na ya naroba bwate barenge koerera
Kaunti ya Kisii nemo yichi kaunti 42 iga Kenya yire ni chibunge kianda na yarorekanire gukina se chimbero chegoro kigima na monasa matoka bwangwiga ge uchumi wetira azo bonchireria iyo egotumeka muno nabamenyi kurwa se kaunti kiyonjo kanaine buna nonya bomenyi asomo chobosongo bakonyora mache kurwa se company ya Wasco asorboti rwabene Jumatatu ya lero nigoro yokogania kugotwara mache haisaine ase tauni ya Bosongo ubunencheremo yokoene kebuna county ya Kisii yagendire gukina Omoso yiga wemiaka yigato kurwa sensemo ya daraja moja ime yomochobo songo nigo alegati yabaria bagokerete gokea kwa mache oteba asare no mogoko na nigo akoirarie bagerio kobucha na konia mache asoma gongoteni ucha sebio siki au na biria beganetia mache gokolemeremo ubuya bwabeire bokoenekiwa ase nambenene yabasae asobogatagati bomochobo songo abo bakorelekana na megongoteni kurwali tukelimo gocha selinde
mache taisa ni tauni ngima mache ngoikara siramunenga kiyembura mache tari Bosongo
chikilomita chinkego kurwa somo chiobo songo aso usaki wegetaseni kya Getembe ase kenyero kyomoturumesi ime ya Kisii Central ase county ya Kisii abomenya bange nigo baboletigwe kubeka chipipe na kweruberia konyora mache ase myaka 3 ya etire nego ikekero tokogendembe otibanye kunyarora Melen ogendi kurwa nyaura negati ya walia batogolete chipae akogacha chimita chabo ase chinyumba kubwatekana no gusiria ogosemeria gukonyora mache na sere gwetera sobonchereria wetinga yaye nige muketi getambukiro gyo kwegorera etangi asomokia bogotema gokiani umuchando bwa macha sinka yaye obware botari obotambe omugaka Naftal Ratemo nere nigo asiririo gosemeria gukonyora mache asegesierikia korengana nechira chebarai na muno chingaki bakurigia ebirogo ao otebono asare nechikoba embori ekobugigita
abange nechira cyobulimo bakoria ngorengia akweberisana kero tukumagara chikora weberisana twaronga mu okwani byange tuleka lakini kero ya ikire ngabono nko ganda tulese esokora maganda sekenyoro aba kongsa ikiagara tindo jinga ngokora bale muneta keire ko tindo chibo yewa mbori gokora ikiai bintu ne binge bire bitara koro
umuchando yoyo nigorolekana asinka ya gatatu ya kane ne yende menge asogosemerio konene gwatigara ase serikali nene neria ye county kubatora chinyongo asomokieto bogoikera bateneri bechi sector au igoro yo mochando iga nigo twatumira ase turagendererie no mukia bogocho kwarigeneria oroboti igoro yenkwana yabo nemberoberio babegete yoko ene kebuna omocho bosongo utwarira macha isaine bunencheremo yoko ene kebuna abamenyi boigo bagendere ko kerobo koreri bwa barai wiki kiegocha lituko nechenga kibune cha lero kernende ndacho kwarigeneria roboti rwa bene ngoroboterege taseni kiagatembe korega sobo gatagati womocho bosongo ritrene ngoroku Daniel Untiri
mwancho murigereria gotigana nayo nande gotigara ime yomochi busongo nigo bono aba menye gusaba bare aba bwatani ibe kanisa ya Millennium gusaba ambassador kurase kanisa ya Millennium SDA me ya omochi busongo ritukari gorobeso getie nakochena omochi gosibia oroche rokorwa masosa gocha daraja 2 unenchereyemo yokonekenga ebintu bitonchokanene gusenga amazingira anyarire kuraba anene muno nekiro bono serikali iga ya Kenya Kwanza egendete kubeka kusegwaka iriogi una nigo erigetie kwenekia buna ibintu biri bitonchokanene byanyarire kurendo boigo emete yanyarire kubake gusimeko ase obonge omusekito dipo nasanya abatarete na abarabomba bwate ayo barenge gusanga ocha ase omugusi.
We are cognizant of the environment as young people, and we are also aware of the global issue of climate change.
Ekiombe kiaba ambassadors kurase kanisa ya Millennium ya Adventist meye county ya Kisii. Itukulia lero nigebeso kia nagochena orochoro nene rugutuke me yomochi obosongo chinsemo cha masosa. Unenchera jamo yokolenda ebintu biribito etanaine.
My name is Gloria Masita. I am an ambassador from Millennium SDA Church, and we've decided to do this project so that we can create a conducive environment for the people living around here.
We have a long-term plan of adopting this small river. This river begins from Stage Miwa all the way to Daraja 2. So as a church and as a group of young people, we have a long-term plan of adopting this river so that we keep on monitoring the way it is being, observed in terms of sanitation and health.
Ekotwa mwetere ronga tokore gasiga ya outreach na bana baiga ekiagara na ribono to bobwata during the holiday. Na ende ekarutware konya kubanga in our work plan. We planned about the outreach ekaraba urochenga environment yaito yabe irembe ya tiringiru ne chindo chechetu tegaiga nonye obochafu obonge no boko bekubwagenda guchia
gosanga na barwe nigo bairanga tali etugo yoka ekonyoro mochando kurinde nonya mwanya bantu nigo bakomerana na maruire asobotumeki wa machataria maya.
We'll take care of the rivers that we have, because dumping waste into the rivers, it doesn't only affect the animals living in the rivers, but it also affects us in general. And this project is just to create a conducive environment and also to create awareness to the people living around here that we should care for the rivers around here.
Ensemuna yue ekyombekyo bono nigo kegendererete gotarira abantu wika asebinyoro.
We also do outreach ministries where we get to reach out to people who are in need. Yeah, so we can walk to people's houses and preach to them also, and also help them where we see there's need.
Umurubiri yoiga bakurwa wa nagati y'ababwatani kurwa sekyombekyo musarabu mubariri me county ya Kisii. Nikubona babolire ewizara y'obochenu kurigereria ebifa byanyagitari ebyo byakulire gukora emirimo kubekwa asagaya kurindetaria sokutugutwa anenase chindoche.
I would like to urge the Department of Ministry of Health in our county to make sure to have a better place for disposal of these syringes. These things should not come from hospital. It should be taken at hospital. When a patient being discharged from hospital, these things will be left there, not to community.
This region here, we have so many health workers, including clinicians, including laboratory assistants, and many more others. It is our advice that they should have proper systems of disposing such important medical wastes. They should not be found themselves as well dumped in this area.
Karabako bitume kabamanyanga ibako bitugutagocha tebako bibe kandonsi asabantu bagweta bose ase dumping site buna bono gandoche amacha yango tumikara abantu bande ngo sibe bali cyanga roche gaiga abantu bande ngo etabare nonyana abana bayitabe bigoriye bike konyorora abana bagoswa roche maiga karaki abana paka maiga ngo swa barenge ba kontimbororo bono nyore baumire kisindani bunechi abakonyora abana baumire.
Abantu bono nigo baboliwe kurenda ebintu biri bitoeta naine asenchira yamo yo wetangamo namarwire chingaki baikirania omurobiri obugosimeka emete asochinsemechyo.
The people around here, so that they do not dump their wastes in water, so that they find proper ways of disposing their wastes. And also, if we have very low sewage systems that are not properly working, we can have them uplifted, we can have them repaired, so that we can be able to have proper systems of channeling their sewage from their homesteads into the right place of dumping.
We should have a lot of partnership, and our people should be cooperative. Know that having a good environment is even entitled in our constitution, that having a good environment is your right.
Kuripotire kitaseni kia obwanchite kia ketembe kuroiga se county ya Kisii ilitiria na inkuru kwa Dipon Asanya.
Mwancho murigere na korwa serikali enene nigo bono aba waziri abachore buna bono Geoffrey Iruku na boigo nyomanyekanite buna Hana Cheptumo obanyarete gukorerwa oko ringorigwa ase bungenere gusibusi bwe bungenene lituko oriegoro ase kamati eyo yarenge kubakorera oko unengia ekorawa nere omuspika abwe bunge Mosike Moses Masika Wetangula nigo bono banyarete kuborigwa ncheraki barochenga nabo barachi kubwenera ase chiwizara chirichibekire Geoffrey Iruku nigo agochigoswa ase wizara eri yamangana public service eyukonyora eteneneire enere omwaziri omokoro Justin Bundi Muturi na boigo Hana Cheptumo nere nigarachi gosa ase okurigereria amangana agenda okose jinsia ase serikali ose ase cabinet.
And you will recite the oath that the sergeant will hold for you.
I
move closer to the mic so that is recorded.
Thank you. I, Anna Wendot Cheptumo, do swear that the evidence I shall give before this committee on the matters under its consideration shall give before this committee on the matters under its consideration shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Thank you. You may take your seat and sign to the oath. Yes. Name, then tell us if you are Christian, Muslim, or Hindu, or none of the above. Then you will have to take an oath on the holy books there or through affirmation, as the case may be.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. My name is Geoffrey Kariuki Kiringa Roku. I'm a Christian.
So you'll take an oath on the Bible?
Yes.
So you may be upstanding. Hold the Bible in your right hand. Raise it and recite the oath.
I, Geoffrey Kariuki Kiringa Roku, do swear that the evidence I shall give before this committee on the matters under its consideration shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Take your seat and sign to the oath. Honorable members and members of the media, for the record, Geoffrey Ruku is a sitting member of parliament. He's a colleague to all members of this panel, and he's been sitting and continues sitting in the chamber with them. That notwithstanding, members will ask you incisive questions.
Mwancho muligereria kwirana asensemo yoboremi ni gobono oyore umo director of us church zone asamangana yoboremi bwechae eyo ere inse gose asensemo eyore inse ya itumbe na boigo factory ya Nyamache nigo ritukuregoro anyarete kwerera una ngochara kwenekia ensemo eyo gose oboremi bwechae bwanyarire koba obwengenjo bono gochase abaremi bonsi bechinse mejo omoske oyo manikanete buna Dr. Abel Kenyoruka ukona kurwase chinsemo che itumbe maragoba yeri tukoregoro nigo boigo anyarite kwerera gose kwegerera emekutano na boigo okubwaterana okukwabirwa kwenekiwa egati asigati yaba director kurwa chinsemo chene kiragotebanga okugumirana kwabo ekero asekero ngoria koganiri gose nigo kogenda neri chiko buna nenjire moyo konya koligia chinjira barati gokinia rigori irieke meri ekegichae aiga ase orogongo orwabusi
ubuyo tokoba on time wacha mapema ende ubuyo buya oroje lakini bono bobe mbolinga into director intokogora ubuyo bokoba ordered from KTD headquarters na ubako genda ngumbu baje korro ubuyo buya no bobe igo intwe ndore tayari o push directors to push KTD to buyo mapema eria gatatu quality mero tutagete tuasukire ko Nyamache asukire kuru namba ko 60 yaikire namba 40 tumbe tunanye sukikoru 40 egende 30 waigule igobono oyinara magendero tutagetako ekende abalimi bana abatagete factory ya itumbe yetenenere kurwa sinyama bono iga twakwane n'abalimi bakorera igoro ya quality bafinyo barete ichaire quality toigwananire na bitakeire quality nero tutagete package ya etebengia pakase Mombasa koniwa manganande tware gukwanira ni goro gosemia barimi kubatebia ng'a biashara bietu biecha imbiri bia na buna bire na bora nyore ng'a ingakie gocha ntubwati bona singia toko abarimi asengencho cha yaitu yabeire gotwara emesukasuko asobonia igaba abarimi baito mwaboria mang'ana motarachi goteba ng'a igwa ng'aba aba director basari mwabori twabatebi bona iga ninyi gweta abande bagokwana na igwe radio murimi oyo mogotanga aba director mokora meeting chinyinge mwa bekire expenditure yabeire iguru amang'ana ye meeting igochigokorwa kulingana no mupango bekire na KTDA igebekire togokora meeting 10 aso mwaka gose 12 anyikire iguru kabisa.
Mwancho murigere na boigo ebarasa yaba governor nigo bono yanyarire kwerera guse nigo banyarire kwerera ama kongu aria bakoba bakwenekia ase chi county ichiri ebatenenete na boigo bakoboria ekamati eri ye bunge konyara kurigereria eka amangana ye budget enyare kwenekia buna banyarire komentwa chibesa chiri chigosoa ase chi serikali chi county kiagira nigo bono chi county chinyinge chigendete guchandika gusigwetera amakongu ayo bono akoirangano nye chibesa chiri chikubato kokora se kiganja ge serikali tichiri goisana goikirania amagendera na boigo emeroberi eyore inse yeti serikali ichi county.
Governments, I can confidently say that we have no hand whatsoever in the matter that is in court with regard to national CDF. That one, it's not sponsored by the counties. But on RMLF, I want to state here that we believe counties, since we have county roads that we are supposed to maintain, we definitely require to be supported in terms of the fuel levy that is actually collected from the counties, and we have the county roads which are supposed to be maintained. So the matter that is in court really is to get an interpretation from an independent arbiter, since we didn't agree with the National Assembly.
The other matter that I wanted to comment on is the matter of the CHPs. The matter of the CHPs, as the chair has said, counties give 2,500 and national government also gives 2,500. But this is a devolved function. So what we agreed that this should be a conditional grant to counties so that counties pay the CHPs. Because this idea of having national and county, it confuses the CHPs. So they say the national is bad, the national is good, the county is bad. Yet, as we sit here today, the last capitation, the last equitable share that we received was for January, and we are in April. So national government probably have paid the CHPs until April, but us, we have not even received the money since January. So that is why we want it to be a conditional grant, so that the CHPs, they are under counties, and counties receive the money and pay them.
So, for anybody to say we got free fertilizers, donated and we sold, you know, as a Ministry of Agriculture, we want to say that is the fact. We didn't get fertilizer first of all. It was a component for making fertilizer. That is a fact. And if we are again to be given the same border or substances for making fertilizer, we will still repeat the same. We'll tender, we look for a manufacturer to use the same component to manufacture fertilizers. So if we made mistake, we are ready to go to jail. Give us the jail number. Don't take us through the process of saying we need to go to court. We are as guilty as charged. If you think that is a mistake we made, if we get another one, we'll still repeat.
We are deploying resources in our schools, in our TVETs, in our universities, because we want to make sure that we harness the potential that exists in our human resource. And we must give all our children the best opportunity to be the best they can be. Every child, formal education, technical education, the creative industry, arts and sports, we must give our children the best array and buffet of what they can be. Those who are good in academics, others are good in sports, others are good in creative economy, others are good in arts. We must, as a nation, and my administration is going to make sure that our children get the best, and we must support them. And teachers, instructors, and the managers of our education must make sure that every child in every school, TVET, or college, or university get the best opportunity. We must equally protect all our children from pedophiles, from drug peddlers, and from those who want to corrupt our children, and teach them to hate their parents, or their teachers, or their leaders, or their nation.
Mwancho muligereria na kukwanira ayo guse gukwanira serikali enene nigo ndochenga nonyo munogeri bwa serikali omoskie Isaac Mwaura nigo anyarete kwegerera umurobiri osha nekirago tebange serikali negendete gukora umugia iri kwenekia umurobiri uyu ngokorore mirimo asinjira iringi kigiranu kigima aiga ase ensi ya Kenya korende ayo negati yari na kwariganiriti asinsemo ikionga chinse 12 chabono mambia se chitaka kachinge chirebose turachosanere mienda asinsemo yechi gazeti korende nigo gukonyorenga ritkoria rero nabogotonyora ase chinsemo chiria cha YouTube onyara guturikira ujumbe ya ugo charoro ekero okotonyera buna Getembe TV nabo igo gosari ase live chat nabo konyara kubeke comment ya gororo erinde tokendere gusanga akigima gose wetera ase number yeto ya studio 0726447367 nabo gotonyora wetera ase nchira SMS nabo igo ase chinsemo chiria cha WhatsApp igo tubasa kogenane korende nigo kogenda mutumukomoke erinde tunyara gukorera narariare ase chigazeti igekeke kerebosio.
Vimat Hardware and Plumber Center ineduka enene iyekonia ebintu ao ebikiranu na ase amagoli amaya kegema nkonia bale chicho echichimanyikaine muna closed cables chichingencho ao na echekerero echichikurwa ase chikambani ao na asamagoli amaya kegema B-trap toilets boigo nkonia bale chi wash and basins chibirengo ao na kurwa ase chikambani ao mbabwate and wash cabinets check ekerero chingi ya kirage na echibirengo bigoro mono tibweba amagori abonigo agukwana no mubuko yani amagori agukwana naye kegema nkoni abale shower mixers chekerero taps gusi ibitacho ebi ya kegema kurwasi company ao koni abale ebinto bye chibafu gusi bathroom accessories buna bondo towel racks soap dispensers tissue holders nebinde ebinge ebiya ensemo ya kitchen gusi chokone mbabwate kitchen sinks chibirengo ao echuchiro siri ekerero na kurwasi company ao na si chibirengo beigoro mono mbabwate gate valves non-returns water meters foot valves PPR fittings HDPE fittings edukebo igo nkone bale IPS fittings pressure fittings GI fittings ball valves nebinde ebinge mbabwate gutter fittings PPR rolls na PTG gutters asensemu yende mbabwate waste pipes asebo igo bakoni chitanki chamache chibirengo ao asamaguri amaya kurwasi company ao naboko batalera ase ebara ya kisi kisomo barabare neduka ya watu asenchira ekogenda daraja 2 echiro gosoba kire esimi ase enamba 0712242915 boigomba bwate urusagi ase ensemo ya Nyamira Vimad Hardware and Plumbing Center asamaguri amaya kira engaki.
Shah Ceramics ni gubago kwa a special offer bunno iga asachi tile au no kugora chikaton emronge tato ni gokwa growth kilo isato bosa gokora chikaton meronge tani gokwa kilo isano na isato bosa gokora chikaton emrongo etano ne tato ni gokwa kilo emrongo ebere bosa otarigwa kanera kende size endeonse Niko okoegwa eye asichi brand bego chinde chonspe chi wall tile kitairi chance na boigo chi tile chia 40 by 40 kose 60 by 60 samange bakire simese number 0703943972 ajirira gocha aseduka yabere Kansons Plaza angana Quick Mart Kisi opposite Mucha Place.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati andonsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yegakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yega babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asime babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati aliaye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga nigo bokorengana amo nukugania gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kwa gutumika chinga gicho gwakerania amabati yega ase nyumba yao tutarire rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kwa gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asobwango edukenya ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex niyo muchuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
HK International Medical Center ni nyagitari nene ya chirenkuma imemu chobosongo yugo tumika chimashini chinkongo asukumureka amarwire ao nago kwa ubugwenia wetera asi amariogo arosirie kurwa asemete nigo bakubwenia amarwire buna esukari ogwaka igoro kwa manyinga gose high blood pressure arthritis cancer chinyigo imichando yichinguru cyabagaka ubugomba gati yayande amange
inche no manyagitari irinike maobanyi omo director bwa enyagitari tukoroka HK International Medical Center erega igo muchito bosongo nainde ni gonta getoko bari gani mono sana na kubatebinga ni gotogo va services chekerero tugotumia obobwenia bwekerero technology yo koligererio mubero omugima nainde twarigereria ngambi mo kibiri byasero gutwara umucanda twakwa amariogo na amarioga yetu ni gotunya ruseti ase chinse chesko ao nande ni gare habo ayuto kurusi ase chinse buna bono kurustura amarioga sense ya Hong Kong eyeri ni China na amarioga ande ni goto kurusi sense ya Malaysia ayande kurustura sense ya Spain na ayande ni goto kurusi sense ya California Los Angeles California in USA marioga ande nare to kurusi somo cho India na ayande ni goto kunyarusia sense ya South Africa ayana ara marioga kunyara gusibia umuchando yikorwa somo bero na ende nonya ni gokuru mwaka 2011 twabere to kubwenia abantu abange nande ni gare habo tabwatia ni side effect yara kolentere kiagera na ayemete igo karibu sana senye gitari yetu ya HK International Medical Center
nabo okubanyora ase enamba 0717176383 HK International Medical Center inchuo onyore obugwenia.
Na batebi na mbasira kitoronigizi ego kanza mo chibu gembo nsa stage yechi bigibigi nsa ajenye kotate speaker ne kabisa live and direct onye kotate ufa chisi mimbu eto ayege ntoko koraneke ogo chankoro kitobese ko bwanga ko ngaina tikankoro chitibi no chiriga etibi uruambara etibiri jambi ebetrio kutumia nyomba kwa raza kura duniani ebetrio kugeria gari yao majiji betri na raro fogo laki amaliko no ari ga kurugwe ga sikuka okutura tulijimeno ga ko bugima boko yiga mara moja kwa ragiri manyange jonzibi neji ufa
Numbers Electronics boigomba bwate ebintu bina speaker amone chi microphone chi horn speaker chi power mixer chi keyboard chi blender chi basi na boigo chibirika chestima chi water dispenser chi radio ao mpaka chirie chigari chi TV chi type chonsi na boigo chi size chonsi amo na electronics bionse pibuna chi wire chi extension cables nebintu binde ebinge ekeroteri kweba chi solar panels tarere imeyomo chibugembo stage gorigoro osewa kesimi asa 0729 646 385.
aiga no numbers ba customer baitu bonse asimole na baliganiri kere gento tobwate na netobwate bintu bichi quality chego chingia kabisa
chaso wenge na nyora kane tigaminyo ke nyumba
Numbers Electronics aiga ntobwate kere gento aserigori dio mubuko o.
amasomo nanine obumanyi nabuborairire omwana okugendera asa amatuko ali busyo ine aye omwiburi kwabire gukuriye esukuru asoraire omwana uwo ayanyorera obumanyi nanene bw'ekikosi ky'amaboko murete Keroka Technical Training Institute eryo aibunduse ekikosi ao igaiga ntubwate ekikosi bunabono eryaya Building and Civil Engineering ase tokubundisa Building Technician Level 5 na Level 6, Civil Engineering Level 6, Building Arts and Masonry Level 4, Plumbing Level 4 na Level 5, Carpentry and Joinery Level 4, Land Survey Level 5 na boigona Level 6 egatie chinde chinyinge kubundisa tore boigo ekosia Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase tokubundisa Electricity Installation, Electrical Engineering Power Option 5 and 6 na boigona Electrical Workshop ase ekosia Agriculture and Environment Studies, Agripreneurship Level 5 na Level 6, Horticulture Level 5 na boigo na Level 6 ase ekosia Applied Science Department ntubwate Science Laboratory Technician Level 5 na Level 6 na boigo Analytical Chemistry Technology Level 6 ase ekosia Computing and Informatics Department ntubwate ekosia ICT Technician Level 5 na Level 6, Records and Archives Management Level 5 na boigo na Level 6 ejitumila asensema ya Community and Online Working imiyeskuru yiga ya keti nigotubwate a Modern Library eyubwate bintu byonsi ibiraga nibyogotumika ali nayo kubundisa tule ekosi ya Version Design ase level ya 4 na boigo neli ya 5 ase omurakiwa akwebundisa akwenyorera ubumanyi obora mubeka silibagaligia ase industry ya fashion ase tubwate chimashini chekerero inkwegeli ya bale boigo Business Studies na Entrepreneurship ase chinsamo cha Cosmetology nigoto kwegelia Beauty Therapy Level 4 na Level 5, Hairdressing Level 4 na boigo na Level 5 nyoranga ase Beauty Therapy nigo okwenyorera obumanyi bwekerero unabono Hairdressing, Pedicure, Manicure egati obumanyi bonde obonge boigo ntubwate kosi ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering ase tokubundisa Automotive Arts Level 4, Automotive Engineering Level 5 na Level 6 asabego tokubundisa Welding and Fabrication Level 4 ajirira muretu mwanu ainyorere obumanyi bwiga nabono nigo intake y'umutinyo gatano egenderete eskure yigani yere kilomita ya munenu skuru asomo chokeroka asamange nabugutalira website yaito wetera www.kerokatechnical.ac.ke ose nabugwaka esimu wetera sechi namba 0726 588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayire na kwenyorera obumanyi eri webekiri bagali lya asense yiga yokwerwanirira
Amarietane neri kimisuko na eri kimisuko no manyagetaria imeye nyagetaria nuga pesi nuga pesi nyagetari gotoka somo chubo songo ebwato obokoreri bwayo buya kigima na kobwamo ne gotumeka chimashini chekerero echichiarure korwa sense ya South Korea nuga pesi etobwato obokoreri boito gaiga na kobwamo no twakonyiro mugusi asa atambe twaberire gaiga asege kegetambe korwa mwaka 2018 mugusi onde bwensi obwate mechando wao unabono mochando bwegetekio mogongo gugwatia amagora akobimba mochando bwa arthritis manyinga waka igoro mochando bwa sukari amona moroira manga arese mebere yeito oitana ni nyagetari chinyinge nendo taranyoro bobwenia ne sengenjo ataratarire nyagetari ito ya nuga pesi erinda nyoro bobwenia obwega boito aiga nuga pesi ntori kobara ntori kobete sindani ntori kwa Mario Gandonsi yogo kobekera chemicals omubere etogo koa obobwenia boito bwekerero obwo gotumeka chimashini na kobwa mono chindetere chiana no diamond tomenium
nilietari ana igongoro kumera ni kwambuka one gento na rochege kone igona nyore to buruire mwaka 2002 oburuire obuna akire korinya getari na irunya getari paka bwasinyire bono ngoteba ngonde bwensi ura toke ngana no buruire buno bobwa mauga boko bimbio mubiro yo gwati wotari korara era tigaike gaige senya getari ya nuga pesti elinde mokonde muno anjigwete nga yankonyire tinare ko nyara konchole bigoti na gwe kumba lakini bono ko nyara konchole bigoti nyigwete nga bono ngo na gwende ngo gwe nande bono
Samarieta ongoro kwa Esther Nyariki ayande ngoro ku Madam Director korwa se enyagitari ya nuga pesti nogo tonyora asama gacho Uhuru was second floor tirongo yakabere kegusi twakwariganirie togokonye omobero obe buya amanyinga atare buya omobero ore buya noro kunyara kurigia enibo nuga best nige gotoka asama gacho Uhuru Towers ye building yege sinyaine mteira igotore Kenya Women igoro tirongo ria kabere egento ndakikishere omogusi yominto nuga besi nero yokere aso mochio bosongo timo ngaineka emekora nemenge yachire se chinambe chinaba obwenete gutwakira tuba oboshauri boisaine motonyore tubakonye twakonyira abange
asamange nabuko bakirisi migwetira chinamba chiabo 0700260518 gose 0784955717 gose 0705860053 nuga best gotanga mbuya kubwako gwenya gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibia wanje Tiaga Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 egoki nimirulu au ya Tembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuri miensi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania Uganda Malawi wikanonya Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas ama no guchingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemirulu yetu au inyoranga nigo okonyora e channel ya Gatembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite channel number 033 Gatembe Television Network ekeonga kia mamogusi.
This March on Star Times, enjoy non-stop drama, romance, and intrigue. Renew your subscription to enjoy intense battles in a fight for survival on Gangs of Manila. The gripping tale of fate on Wild Heart.
I loved you so much.
Heartwarming power of dreams on Hands on the Dream. Love against all odds on Soulmates. The flutter of love at first sight on Eclipse of the Heart.
You've also become the queen of my heart.
Renew your subscription today to never miss a moment of the best of global dramas on your StarTimes decoder. Download the StarTimes On app to enjoy unlimited entertainment anytime, anywhere. StarTimes. Enjoy digital life.
Twatire mama ene twatire
eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolire ilikubotoka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoroisia ebintu biria bikomanya seyeka ngokwanira chirangi ekyo boigo chire chechi brand ao ekyo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiria chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriria gatigati gwekarigori ria bantabatinu boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka eyebwate emixer eyogwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganie gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale awatagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eribwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwatokorrekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo busongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara uzitosomya bamura baje kuya mandegere uzitosomya bamura baje kuya mandegere.
Mwancho muligererea karibu sana sinsemo ichi gazeti ritko oria rero ndo chinga samu onyare wikira na gaiga korene ngayirete nga wakoranga wiki ibere nisiku mingi sana
no it's not 2 weeks actually it's just a week because the whole of weekend comment of course yeah but weekend we don't
matukane comment na igoro wakorire wiki sana ichi wiki ibere
bono gweka kwali koli yene formula ike wiki
yes
anyway mbiyande bono mwete bune mbrego to by the way nabo konyoranga namanga go happen mbure kero ribokendu mboro byunombiro lakini nendo we thank God rero nonde kaiga egera tunyara ko batogosanga nabarigereria bari na misri by I do miss you guys by the na misri nseme yechi gazeti but I hope nga ndonsia sore buna bono obokendu bwechirega abantu tiga banishinga the chianga bakobeka nchiri chindito chikora taribirera tonyoranga kwanyora rusena malaria
tobate
dikuba pneumonia
kwanza dikuba na rije common na kirikoro common cold
it's common cold
obokendu bwegango chibore bwareta umuchando kigima korende omancho murigire nego to koborenga chinga kibunechiga banyara gotenda kema herio kwene kibuno mubiro go onore biye go beka chisweta kero gwete mbura egotu ande samo igento nkire nane nkoranga abantu bacho arakore gosori ukunywa macha makendu chinga kechiga ndio nonga nabo akoletero muchando monne sana
it is not right
ekero mubiro igweto bukino nande kwanywa macha makendu beka macha ya beriberera
abe warm
kwanywa macha ari warm yes ndora tebanga macha ke ko tokotia mache yo konyo kurende nere bia
no tokotia na goro kunkuri ko
mete mbaroro bado I think omonto naye ayengo choro wa sweat bado nebo bukendo
mimi hata sai labda hata nimeni because of it's common, it's just something normal.
Ekero kwena ri kunyuna nda macha yo are warm ngukonya ari gutanga gose gukianiri kubarira cha sumubire kubatekana no bukendo ane mono riri koletu no bukendo konyara omonto wasoke mbura yanyirira abu agakubaga achire bwanya wachakire utwara running nose chimiro cha utokonyara utinasa abantu lakini kero konara okonara kunywa amacha mabwate gose hot water ngokonyere sana.
So again tongere ntara kubwata pia kero ko tumeka goso kutumia machare very cold inga kiyobo kendu naro ye kora running nose
okonyaranga ama obukendu buri bwasoira ase ama gose lungs ono yachaka kunya gosokia bima okonyaranga bimache biri bikunya gosoka kyake goetera ase chinostril lakini singe ntuntete osase kila sigia biology igo nga chinga kiechiga nakiro tawerunga koranyo konya korekera watweriru okoigunga kwa ikirase ribirera riro kugunga chimero chao chansire kwa binjira gete oswasoira ase nyombe bwateribirera na kiega neri akiro no nyomuntu gwasokire gwa kirwembeo kwanyu no nyicha ya muriro kwanya tutige cha ya muriro wata ya namange sam ndo chenga abantu konye kwa abwatire ose kwarigire ne ose ichaito kwa bere kuchibwatia no chenga umuchi busongo asubuga tagati bo umuchi busongo abantu mbere bado batabwatia machi kiro tokende te ukwana macha mabwati ose ama macha ribirera kwando mbere bado batabwatia machi.
I think koma ite again tekenene anene mona se town the most important thing nigento no molero amache nabo igo nebintu binde bibya muhimu ne biashara bigendere tororo bono kwanyoranga igo setutebanga in these major towns tieto tumekomo chibosongo kwanyoranga issue ya mache Mastari igata inkora nyori bitacho biro onya biro birebike sana mbigo serve abantu bonsi gonga we need to have piped water usamacha ali abegire chi pipe egarenga obokoreri not only go nyumba go sasa bamenye bari bamenye to nabokonya rubona bona chi hotel nchiro chi industry nchiro chi factory nchiro maybe gaga chi kutumeka amache so amache ngento kiamana naende kero again tekenene the county government, the MCAs, the MPs, Nabara Ibande Bonsi, including the women rep, because I do remember the first thing they used to tell us, especially about women rep, they tell us, Ngotora Bare, Abangina, Chinyongo Koru, Kurumetu, Egrabanyar Kovako, Bekera Mache, meaning that Mache, Negan to Kerekia Musana, was a Kerekia mana to a point like Negan to Kebuenta Koba available. Chishuguli Chico Chikorana, so much of song on Chishuguli Chininge, Chiganeria match. So as estima na mache is something very essential, especially as these urban centers, Kusechi town. But no, we shouldn't be talking about the issue ya machi kwa sababu
chi county nchiri chi kolera chinyora no nyimbura
but you see into bunabona on Sunday imburega ya atwa korubotuko the whole day embure tuete there are some rivers to bwateka kikatinero. So I think it is the issue of the system of oborai na ku make sure nga amacha yango tokare taringa amacha abure gusikiangazi ya amacha naro we have rivers bunabona nkwara naro news oro echende ruwa gusibi kugari
masosa daraja mbili
so meaning that we have water, it's only that the system that needs to work, that those piping egerenga ebintu bine binyara ko babiko korekana chishuguli chie town no town chinde chiri chibanto chibunga bosongo we are crying for water
engane samula ndenyo taringa bosongo yo kabono in as much as story girete bosongo wase omusaketo Daniel Ontiri anyari tukara aba menyibo mu chibosongo omanyanga no nye county ya Nyamira bado story yega ya mache ne pato muchando lakini bono wakumenga ekero tukurigirya so rocheroli erwa kegati guso rocheroli rwe kuja amacha eka ko pumped kurwa chinse mu chiri chake gati omaite no it's surprising nga orocheroli ni goro gupambwa amacha gwetania chilita chi milioni gete chilita asikira lituko lakini yatokanga amacha nande bado tayase me chinyomba chinyingi
so
samaga chamange ga so mucho bosongo
nakitokote baranga we have available water ne gento keringa rende tonyore system ya macha iga torenga ki kiabwan to ko available egere nga chishughuli chinde chinyara ko bachiko koreka none account Nyamira of course emochando inoro but me I want to say it's about the system tarikende kene ne gosina machaborite system chindoche amacha naro otutika rende neringa ne system rende tariko work lakini rende ntomate nga ntobwata baraya baya kurgusi and they will look at that egere abantu banyore amacha sorogongurwa gusi
nakongu timanyanga ningi kogera konyora nga chinka chinde gosi chinyomba chinde nabo konyora nga emburekero yachakire gutumu cyobusongo amacha kanje wacho kuganya machi tari gocha yabitirire abantu bacha gutumika machi yembura banyora abandi mbabwate para allergic na machi yembura naragocha areta bintu bune bya makuba ata machi aritari
singenjara makindu
nande ne batari ukendu boka machi ari ngonyora nga nara acidic na bwate michando yende emengi pero konyora umuntu korose na ndagira nigo ekoreto mucharo ko manyete ko sese bali babwato bumanyi ko agatebi gononye na magukoro nga tubusa koroseria mache mbure chai sengenjo ni go chinjima
go chinjira na test
sengenje mbure amacha ari ekere mbure gotu macha ari tari nga reclean
abwate chivumbi
chinyinge chifactory ne chinyinge amarioki obuchafu buli bwensi bogo so asembeo
kwa sababu oisako macha ari kiro kwa yabekire go sene plastic go segwata achite after kwa tire for some time ko nyaranga obuchafu mbole bwo float insali yani bwo echunchuka bwenda insali kwa nyoranga na babwate michando yae naro nabwate chikon ngakitokoro
nabote jams contaminants mbrororo
akoroke binyinya se abantu abange kusira bakoroke binyinya
macha abwate binyinya
abwate binyinya nabakonyanga nabwate obuchafu bwae gali nsali kirale gali so it is not that nare safe naro so what we are saying keringa let the system work so that abamenyi babo benseme yabo so ngichishughuli chita machi ni chinyingi we have hotels
chinyagitari kwanza
chinyagitari
so embarrassing ekoro konyoranga chinyagitari chire chine chibwata baruira bange lakini chitapo nigo chire dry
including paka amatunda atokoliska nabo ntagotwara amacha marabu agerenga kerogo sibi na nolia kwanyoranga na safe
korende ngane yu necho nande ko gotomo sakia ontire na ata tenga nkuira na ali nande wiki gocha ende
anara ko bagago to jumba so
ototige sengane ya mache ni goturaga ni kwigunga bamenyi eba chinsemo banyale konyora mache isene korende ese karangurigire chigazeti chiri tukoria rero ndo chinga samurero nturanyora the physical paper korende gazeti ya The Standard kiroro che copy eyo nigo ndo chiringana rimwe muri gotebanga General's Last Wish nigo bwate bicha yae General Francis Ogola
yes
yoringe omonene wa majeshi nyarite ko yasembeo omwaka eta bono ndo chingana omwaka oyo mo obwerire ikorwa ogosira kwae ne kirego tebanga crash a puzzle. 1 year has passed since Kenya's foremost soldier fell from the skies and perished. The KAF 5001 plane that killed General Ogola carried an abysmal history, a refurbished Vietnam-era warbird that had experienced 2 emergency landings weeks apart. Ngabona ndegeri abari nete nigo yabwatu muchano ngase shuiki bere konye chetire konye yanyare ko bake gutwara umuchando nabo igoko land metengo chio kwanyara ngache ikere ase chigo lazima chitumeke emergency gose chikore emergency landing ekero yatukiringa nchibwate umuchando gose technicalities ichitanyare ko ligire gose chitaranyare tikuikirana egotebanga roboti irwanya rikubwato kwa nigorokorokia nganande enigo nga the same Nigotanga a preliminary report is out, but some aviation experts say it reads more like a cover letter than an investigation. Was this a tragedy, an accident, or the final chapter in a silent war? Nga bono ekiro yato gutengende giga abato mochana na boigo no roboti roriro abato kiro nigoliko rokorokia amaerezo igoro yendege yose gusira kwa Francis Ogola korende nige kobolia nga eye nenjere mo yogo confuse abakenya gusinigo yali nginjira yoko mukora Francis Ogola nga nenjira yabangire no murobiri olengaro buko mukora umetebona aya na machibu nonyo family okonyoranga nigo arengo monto monne kigimase serikali lakini yatoka nga umako erire serikali tanya kwana kubata robot ronderwensi rokoro kia ninki kerete ere kuyera sendege.
So actually time flies. By the way, it was like yesterday. Mangana ya Ogola general anya tukopaka happen. Lakini rende it 1 year ya etire and bado maybe a family need justice essence major. Again don't know that Matilda much as there an accident and you know accident you can't again don't get ajari tari gen toko banganga kebe. Lakini rende ukorengana nobo tukibuna boko korekana bwa korekanire na boko bolia maswali yake anda kenga what really happened kwa sababu wegwete ngaya what some technical issues and the engine had failed ko ikirali tukeri because ebintu mbiro guseno ne chigari echika guseno ne chi ndege echi abarayi bagutumeka nigentu kimwento ko baina condition erengia egerenga tikebeka atali guchiase abarayi abaiga na netaba abarayi whoever nebanga na no mwana icho kawaida because obogi mabumonto no bwamana talinga bono totabenga bono esingenchare guseno murayoyo erego ika abe safe ntu abantu common mwananchi na botoko baigo no we also deserve to live negento keregento keritoko to consume especially gusene chigale china bochirabe matatu nchibwene tokoba in a good condition chibe fit egarenga abantu karabakolina banyara ko bagwe kasbagochi so amaswali ana batokwe bolinga what really happened if the engine had failed and where were the technical team abanyara ko bakolina endege was it fit for kukandese sabali ikobono naro chenga nande remember nga kero monta sirio bukimabwaye nebanga no rongo rwa gusigaye kusana ndons abantu ngo takabare ko link okukukwaye nebintu gete some factors bakoranga they are possible ananya tukabaka gusirayo so but we hope nga amaswali na mange tokweboli as Kenyans when this thing happens but rende etogosabanga if it's okay let justice prevail especially which is a family ya Ogola and the entire nation at large.
Sam bono ndo chese ngana ye bintu biribi ko chebyari ko mono anno mono kero monta sirio bugima bwae Francis Ogola nanyalite kurika will ne bekira se gazeti ya The Standard kiro kene timanyanga abantu mpare ngoma nyete sambanya le gusiria magima abo nande batikire chi will bunechiga niga bwate abana babere momura no mo iseke ne kirondo che nigo gazeti yagotabanga Ogola's will son and daughter to jointly manage estate estate chiria bwate banyare gochitenenera na boigo nigo nga barabubuka banyare utwaro bosibole na kibaranyare kubagana enibo oyaye na ikia gatatu egotebanga all personal clothing to be buried changa cha chonsi nyale ko tuberero
na batabanga
chi na boigo akanyara gotebanga asini boiri onsi abwate agotebanga omorugioe son daughter banyare go share unabono ntobwate emoluments na pensions compensations nebintu binde ebinge omorugi anyore 50% na boigo omonyaroka no momura banyara konyora 25% each
25% each meaning that bakanyora okay it's 50% but a shared one.
Yes.
Omorugi nusu alafu the
nusu yenda bana babagane
banyara 25 of which is good and that is good but you know chiwili chiga ngo twarara barayi bande gusabantu bande famous bagusiria magemabo despite the fact that mbatigete chiwili onyoranga nande bado the family gutwarere issues ondake uri utanya tukoboka guisaneka ninchire wili maybe yari gitu usana atagete gintu gete but tachit konyora favor but rende it's good now that it's clear that the Ogola's family umorugi anyora 50% na boigo abana banyora 25 each iye kwa amount to the half year tigere yure 50%.
Ndocho bado nagendete ko tewa iganga daughter to get grandmother's Bible.
Yes, it's good to be clear.
Aya reko nyore Biblia aya ngina koro na boigo to na gendete kwa no murugi nande sendo chenga ko tewa sendi boyende editary included ase wile yega abana baye banyare kubagana.
Abana bayibuka
Yes, egende as a son and daughter to be shared between son and daughter. Igonga ene ngana ase ebintu biri konyora abantu abange babwenete kubanga ane mono ase chinga kwarorenga buna wagi kwanire chinka chiabaraya banene abanene cyabere chigutwara umuchando kigima ase amatuka manke usimya kemengi kubatkana geringa niko bagusinyu kubagane nibo likini sa momete obugima ne bobo chibwa bafani aye ekero umubiri naro konyora ngekera serious umuchi kenenge abantu bakubagana yani abantu bago strain onye enjira yoko mwa
a send of yoga ya maskani
wako moesko ya yo mweli asenjira ya maskani
lakini nani whether in Kisii do we have wheels
ngoli kabale
wheels
umwando lero ngakyukare kwenano
do they ride wheels? I have never okay umaite
oyo moyo bako
enchira yo umaskini kosobo takabara sarongo rwabusi you find out that tarikendo konyoranga kende keneno ratire family yao unless igento karoke keronkelinga no maybe nendemero mugondo I'm sorry mugondo ranyore maybe abantu bakubagana koso mugakata iyo nabo konyoranga chianko they join in ekerekero muntu nyoresha yae onyoranga sarongo rwabusi actually tari bantu bonse bakolika wheels onye bantu mbere bataranyora bintu onyora ngambari korika wheels egento karoka ke maybe ne gento bona bono endemerero nabeko ba automatic nabeko ba shared whether you are there or not olike wheel torika banyora ngabantu ngo share bari barabo mugondo kurwa somo iburi anihine inheritance kurwa somo iburi lakini rende ase bari babibwate abanyora ngankorika bari otebanga muntu getaire ke bona bona Rose General gorate bringa chianga chia Chonspi nyaka bachigo tindeku yeah it's nabura nyangonde much as chere ko ganda chikonyo lakini
rende tinga onde takugana muntu abekije yanga chi
that's the wish and it has to be granted tote bungu muntu karasiri bukumbu bwa yagotabinga tete monko regento gete ngango twarere percussion cyakero muntu takolite gento niki
paka moikirania
na
umugano yini ko yenyora se page yakane ndochenga no roro umugano ori omonene kigima ase egazeti ya The Standard korende ekiro tukuri ase page yakabere nige gotabanga government threatens to shut KTN ngabono serikali nigo oyachakire kwenana okogoserere gocha se nyumba y'oburaria ya KTN kero manyitinga egazeti ya The Standard no ekorwa sam timanyitinga serikali na boigo nyumba y'oburaria ya KTN ngikigendere tumete kwabire gukora nego gati abarai aigaba ukwanira chi bold usitukurigiriria chi headline cyabere chigotoka se gazeti ya The Standard kenengera njira nere serikali tingaine segi na nyumba y'oburaria.
Okay, Omaite, number one, we need to understand that media, the role of media, nigego act as also much as to what opposition, but we also act as a watchdog, gochasa wananchi. Yani a watchdog in that we don't favor the government or else we say tobaite. Yani gerenga iko tokoreta mangana bunari. It is something that kebe the role of media ige koreta shared to the community and the society tobatenga bone serikali yoko baraniga neke kiabeire ine auditors general report ige gotabanga serikali ya spend ige naiga where credit is given gose ase ogotogiwa kubwanarete media we do give na se mamochara se serikali we do that that is now being fair egretobe watchdog uchaso mwananchi bono recently abana ni ntu asenare twalenga ali kerotore editorial yali tokonya kubora ningaki standard rero chibold chiae chiarokanira kobanga igo chigwate chigwakerio gomono gochia se serikali nando nyorenga recently you can tell that even the Standard itself what issues and advertisements maybe chia serikali korokananga amangane koreta iga kwa ke serikali mono ase chibold chiabo
yerirete umuntu abwate kisiangani
kisiangani yes nto abwate you can tell from the papers we do daily gaiga kereto kora magazeti a bold yabonere a bit different ekorokana gwa ke serikali so na serikali mo sometimes karodi ne serikali kero yaro ringa ko efinyoro mono nero nkoretere nchira nero
onyorete asokurubikana kwa last year kwa Gen Z ngikianyarete ko ba se nyomba yoborari ya KTN niko konya
So
konya ba irwege kurwege tindi kurwase serikali ingango chigo yarenge gusiyo singe njo barenge okora magana bana live coverage
but you see it was happening and you have to do that live. I was here in Bosongo, by the way, karango korane getase nikiende kirona renge to my attachment and we are doing those stories. You have to tell mwananchi nga bono tero Bosongo maandamano agency gari ga abantu gete bakorega the public. The members of the public need to know what is happening. But anything ndiko segetanga anda ketutware amangana atari amaye. Again tokerokyo defaming koseko kwana amangana yo volimo na ararama be. But what is happening it should be told. And again tokende nande itari inchire mo gositari ritangani. Ndwaro chasi campaign last year. Egetase ninkero kyoboraria kiabwate barota banga kibwate rwembere gochia se team ya Azimio. Ekiende kiabwate gochia se rwembere gochia se team ya Kenya Kwanza. So ebinebi ntobi korokana nande ntobwate amangana bunaya iga. And even the president himself accused Tinga maybe enyomba yo barali nero egokora bamwengerete. So these are things that are normal, but rende as a group ya standard, we hope that Tinga rende much as they are bringing these balls and everything, nero renchira maybe they can work on it.
I heard someone say dero igatari ko banacha yo watch news. Esengencho ebintu kira kurigereria mangana agendereta sense kenengeo gakogoki kira kurigereria chi bulletin chionsi prime time news kurigereria chinyomba chioboraria se origereria arugongo rwagusi origereria national TV stations ebintu bionsi nonyo kotegerereria ambintu byoka byokogoserere ebintu bikogosa
abona bona Matilda
agenderete ama kweli emebasokano ama ebintu binde binge
bona last month
yes.
You can tell us Orogongorwagusi we had the saddest stories choboiti
okosoma
yani in a day 3 am yani chinke chiara ko gusenisa to gusebire Orogongorwagusi pakwa yani karato boba gete kiro monta akumetinga iga asar whether na receive gusetare safe igo ngamangana na arabeire oroche tukwanere Kositote abuna bono ese account ya Nyamira. Lero kwanire Nyamira, mambio kwanire Nyamira. I was here telling you on a daily basis we need to talk about SHA. Lero to kwanire SHA, mambi to kwanire SHA. Like the whole of last month we had to talk about the issue of SHA. Bono mwananchi go feed amangana ega kuminga SHA yenga kikosekare. Bono bakumu tutwaro bwa. Ogarera kwa yunga umwana naitetese. Umwana naitete mamu mwabo. Umwana na atachiritense anti yae. Hanukwanya kugunga ki umuro mwabo nabo
terete ukuruta marafa
musubati nabeterete paka umontaranga news yeye yabere yo kobo imono because bikore ibigo korekana nibikore byo kobo apa komonta
asa abantu barama abanyandoto tako watch news bunechi kana korara somurembe
yani we are not getting something good in this news nga yaya chibasa rinko na nuchiriko chali abantu baraendoro shabono ngo korere tiga abantu beliki ebintu gente mbire biko korekana igana yani we need to also have those good news but recently nturara amangana alia upungufu nero ya mangana maya ayuara maya ocha saba nenji yeba
na tukurigereria egazeti ya Daily Nation na kioroche liboli gose ringana linene ligotewa
ase egazeti ya the Daily Nation gaiga ese ndoche egotebanga why is Kenya still in Haiti
abanyanyimbo
abanyanyimbo bari bensemo gose banyimbo bense ya Kenya nyoranga mbachite asenseri ya Haiti nande nyoranga mbari bakeigo babiri batatu gaba gose babiri I think basiria magimabo kubatakana nechi segechi
egoteba questions 2 elite police officers are dead while 2 others are seriously injured 10 months into the Kenya-led multinational security mission in Haiti. Many of the countries that pledged monetary and other support for the operation to stabilize the gang-riddled Caribbean nation have since kept away, leaving President William Ruto and his government to do the heavy lifting. igo obono ne kiroro chinga abanyanyimbo already babire banyare usiria magimabo ande babire nigo bagotebanga egazeti gagotebanga they are seriously injured na ne kero togo kwa nanga nonye ne chinse chiri chanyalete kurwa era kusebanyalete kurwa chira choko ena na chibesa na boigo ebinto aho biranyare gosegeta gosira serikali anemo na abanyanyimbo abo bakorwa se ya Kenya ngabanyare konikia omorembe ase ense ya iti niko no banyare gusukirare ototigare ndendo chingane bwato mubaro bwechinse chiri chabere chiko kolie chira nabo igonga kibari ko chegosira korende niko bamutigiro moske William Ruto anyare kwirwanira ere nabanyanyimbo bae buka batiko tewanga but with funding shortages finally equipment and bickering amongst financiers is still worth keeping our forces in harm's way in a far off land. Ndochinga kwanza niko report is it still worth keeping our forces in harm's way in a far off land? Ngabono nere biyana inde ense ya Kenya egendere konya gutema gutigari gose kubeka abanyanyimbo ase echinse ense yo ya Haiti emugano ini gora se page ya kane gazeti ya Daily Nation ngabona abanyanyimbo mwete it's very sad ngabona kiro igwete chi report bunecho chimbe chakire kubatu kwa ngababere niko banyaregete babere basiria magimabo nande abande bado magendete kurwane segiyo ayo ona yande amangi no arase gazeti ya Daily Nation
igonga matita you see again taba Kenya bange maybe bakwe bole it is the interest yense ya Kenya which is sensemeria Haiti and much as we are having okay nchiri swari nkwebolya njibuna sam yenda na batatu waro bwa matana gatembe TV iri swari nkwebolya nkiri ndiri ngaki of all chi country chikacha tabrenga nkuru chire support inki batari gutumira abana jeshi babo gwese abanyanyimbo babo bagendo instead yo kurumo saada batuma abana jeshi babo bakore bagendo. Why Kenya of all the countries that we have to go to Haiti?
Kenya police.
Kenya police. Why of all the countries which interest do we have and ababago tabanga they will support us.
Ndilikiyechi gachanya liteko saini gonense ya Haiti.
Ncheke
Serikali ni
onya ya sabe to musaada tokaba generous tokaba there are some countries that we go to have financial support. Bahakiro metime. Bono what are we benefiting? You know,
because gutigara no botaka na boigo koborwa abancho babo ekere serikali ekenderete kunyago yake kuba
nande orochenga abana nyabanyanyimba aba they must have financial support. We have our own budget. Why set a budget for maybe abana kwerende bakare semeria Haiti. So those are some of the questions. Nakinata brand.
Amaboli alibuna bono. Okuriye North Rift, okuriye chinse mobuna Baringo, Lamu County sayobo ke bago bwacho boichora. Aba Kenya abange abasaya abange bachakire ko bari recruited ko chako swase byombe bikokoro kusaga. Lakini kwa nyorenge serikali bado asema kana buna yo teriko nyara kusira kigima ko sigoikera oboikerano.
So those are some of the questions
to Haiti. No
torari na notogete chinguru chito egose serikali no begete chinguru chayo lakini rendo all in all yote 9-10 mbiya rende diplomacy nande nara kwanira mangana diplomacy sana. This is I don't know a million time Kenya we have an issue the way we handle our diplomatic issues chiko garanga at some point kero montata getokwenda kuburi kero kia global they haunt us.
At
some point I know in one time no chonyora mo Kenya ndo bwenso taite a global thing tabanga na bwenta ko supported abantu bale barachi balikirelie enchire ya Haiti and the bakuri ndiko sinechiko
ntobwate muchano nense ya Sudan bo
ntobwate muchano nense ya Sudan and again taking ngia plate mono when Raila Odinga was vying for AUC seat. Let me ask you. You find out the SADC part, the southern region, ya renga aliesi chinse mochiria, gosere chinse mochiria southern part of it. Umuungwano yuko kwa Cyril Ramaphosa, Babu Emerson Mnangagwa, na basani abanane sana bomu Raila Odinga.
South Africa, Zimbabwe.
And this was a defining region. nero yagerete maybe andake uburai ubukagenda uchiasibwa chite gochi. And Raila seems to be so friendly to the Southern. Why did those friends come for Raila Odinga maybe at some point, Wamokonye, from the SADC point of view? So you find out it's a diplomatic issue, the stance we have, maybe Gochiase, Nsemeri, South Sudan, and maybe the issue of Burundi.
DRC.
I mean Rwanda. Na Rwanda na DRC. So the way we handle our diplomatic issues, then sometimes it comes to haunt us. And I'm sure maybe the story of Haiti neche to haunt at some point. Neche to haunt at some point.
The whole thing neche kumanyakananga ki ninki kekretensi ya Kenya nero bonete nene. Kero kuri chinse chiri topate superpowers. Chi nation chi country chiri chi aveire chi nene kigi marande chi bwate okubwa chiranyala gokonya. Lakini nigo chisugete maiga korende nigo toko tigerayo nga serikali bono korende no konya gosabira abanyanyimba baiga banyarete kuira asensi ya Haiti. Fraudsters stole my identity. Kenyan jailed in United Arab Emirates over 81 million shilling scam pleads. Naraiga unyarte kubikwa abiara na boigo gosibwa hase enseri ya UAE tubwate eri ya United Arab Emirates nigo bono anyarire gotebanga ababegu gosenga n'abantu batamanyire banyarite kumura identity card timanyanga idea ya nero yachite kubwateranirwa ase amangana yaiga yechibesa cyanyarite gusira chire 81 million. Matekero kelenga nandi AID yaho nabe gutumika bobe. Okonyoranga gwatukutire kibande na kitukura bori omoncho murigerenga ekirase kero ine kingi kibando kyaho nonye gyasite manyango nye gyaso aro chikiagenda na bokolema. Ikibande kigena boke gutumika kende gekorobosa. Abantu bagenda bakorobosa liko se bakorogosagana. Ikibande kige kero kegochikotoka getigare buna na evidence yoka era nyale kukubika ase akongumugano yini gorase page ya gatatu korende ndochenga Mukenya uyu horasense yo nigo ate biringa nikibande kyae kyanyalete gosira kero kenna kikiatumegete bobe eyo yeretere bona abekire byara ase omuchando gosengane bwaterane tichibesa chire 81 million.
Buna bono Matilda igorgo yo kwanda mangana yekibande okonyoranga omuntu akwire kibande register line. And we have seen that, and they've been thinking that. I'm not saying abantu mbakoresha line buna bono konyorore mbarbago taligali. You have to be safe. We can't shwinga. Everybody bakwenana gose echi line echi bakwenana nkwana bara sinchira yobia. Abantu mbarakonya bako register have experienced that thing. Umuntu ako register line buyo register oiko kotabinga yangira okore network. Kware oenda ne line iri kotabinga
keko register ne kibande
already yabeire lakini bono ochire nero. Kwanyoranga bakare konera niga 100 shillings 200 shillings kibande keko soma ekwende yo muntu munga. Bona bono you can tell chinga kinchiro muntu agwakire siminga na gotomeri chibesa gochagabu kore kwerende ntage to chinto merebake kwa nyoranga asinge ncho bwanga gose kwaranga tutait kuliana ni muntu kwatuma chibesa kwanyoranga kwatumire chibesa chiao kurwa sesi mimi ekebande ke kwanyoranga ke kariko somu muntu kitomu ngao lakini oyo gwatomera mind you lieteri kebande kitari official name yae kwanyoranga kwanyoro muchando ekebande kiao giachiro se line yao yachire ya bugwiri chilon ya yatumikire bobe
manyanga
once obo saribu yana kiwe they come and look at that ID amarieta na yangu Matilda orega yagatembe TV ogokora mangana maya osoke ko chia reception onyoranga DCI ogo se DCI no barali nga no irete chibase chingana naiga kore to gukana because this was your ID. So what I'm trying to say inkiringa abantu lenda who you give your ID number, who is in possession of your ID number. No na abana boka na bako and register minus your consent and akore ibintu bya gari umwana akarere gose nyomba buna bono bafungira isikuru okonyaranga ngusari mgo bwataka busarika ke kwanyoranga bari uru bachire ochire kokoro busari bwaye bono mubure gocha gatagunge kebandi kiya ongia sirete kwa
makubuna no mwana tumegete gwikirania mangana senga sim card na kagirete nga singincho yebiro nande iga gotebanga aboda boda usinga bodabodas killing more people than cars in road crashes nga abana bodaboda use obonjore wa bodaboda no bwabere bokoreta emebasukana mingi ase echipara cheto na gutigana ne gazeti iyo ndoche gazeti ya People Daily Sam onye konyora gazeti ya People Daily ringana limwe mwaso bwango mono
ase gazeti ya People Daily ndoche gaiga ringana limwe gotebanga Kenya's face of tyranny of wastage yani ngabono it is a state of national despair. We are witnessing a regime that is systematic dismantling democratic governance and civic freedom.
Bono bosibole nandi tipo yo kigima asensi ya Kenya bono abarai bali babate birogo ni ko bagutumika absolute powers bosenga chinguru chiringa ni tutororo gose in tutobwate sei bali babate birogo binene mugano yo page ya kane ne egoika ya 5 na limo gazeti ya People Daily na ndoche ngokanirira mangana technology nga why the Gen Z are the new billionaires umugano inoro nora se page yo ya 5 na kabiri gazeti ya People Daily bono nga abasaya bange babirichi billionaire nigo barechi Gen Z na ndine bwate chisababu echucherire barabanyarire kwenyorera enibo ase obwango mono tokurikira gazeti ya The Star egotaba dilemma for Kalonzo as Uhuru backs Matiang'i bid bono Kalonzo Musyoka ni gatigaire roro magiga yomuske Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta murai obwenso mukuru Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta kuchaka kumusira Dr. Fred Matiang'i asikirugo kyoburai bwenso bochori bo mwaka 2027 bono nga Kalonzo ereni kanyale gukumia na ki atiguga is also facing stiff internal competition and nekero tukurigerere nga nonye na ase ekerare nonya asense muri ya Azimio na boigo tukurigerere soburai obokoboke nigo akendete koenekia koirwa embiro kigima
bono umaite you see politics nero ne bwata yae as long as you are trying to buna bono ugosoto tebe ko sena Azimio before try kera go solve issues chiri Azimio nyomba ichama ya oipa yo kane bwate nero amechando yae buna bono konyoranga abantu you know there are some people in Wiper party thinking like eske Kalonzo Musyoka bero for long it's a new time nera wento kwena no bura macha sinera otebanga ki ya bono ninga ki kago chago tebanga asobo mu Azimio bono ndo chinga ninga ki ane
nere bono ko
bwana takwenda gukora gusemwete kubori burai na nyomba na aromba bafire tinga ninga ki ya itona into tubwenta kubori because kwa twara opportunities chinyingi lakini rende kwa maya konyoranga na inde asobo mu Azimio maybe they have made a promise singa ntoche togosire and bono okosoka kwa murai bo mugwa gose chama ya ODM Muskirailo Odinga meaning that inga otigire gapweli na ande bono kira tigire gapweli Kalonzo feels like esenge nchoni chena very so close to wakiri no Muskirailo Odinga I'm the ideal person obwenta kwire ekeroge kiga bono ninche mbwenerete yani arochenga nerore the second in command despite the fact that we had Martha Karua oboriti chikura buno mukonyi bu muraiwi bu Muskirailo Odinga lakini oroka ne rebrand na ndoroka nga andra ketakali ya sekambi ya Azimio bono Kalonzo ga affiliating bono nere orenge the next person went kwira egente kiga na ndo nyorenga Azimio ye Jubilee is part of Azimio na Jubilee ye nero ya ero kana kana bono intuke muntu tete Matiang'i abara ya bande baro kana kobanga bono na ubata tete ko support Matiang'i batigiro muske Kalonzo Musyoka so na
bwente tigaire eroro bono nigo akumetie gazeti ya Taifa Leo egoteba midomo miwili ya ODM kira tokendete kwa na Raila Amolo Odinga bono ase ekiama kya ODM ekiatwarire abara ibaba kekanire babere chinsemo ibere ntobwate wa kosoaji wa serikali bali bakendete ko yamiriria serikali kigima ntobwate mubunge o bwechinse mochiri chamba Embakasi East Moske Babu Wino ntobwate mo senator o Nairobi Moske Sifuna na boigo mugavana James Orengo nabo bali bakendete kwambiriria serikali nonye bali me ya ODM korende na nsemo yende ne bwate abo barenga vibaraka wa serikali mbarabia baiga ntobwate omubunge omanikanete na Peter Kaluma tubwate omubunge munyekarite buna Junet Mohamed na bwo seneta Oburu Odinga bo bari bakenderete ngano bari ODM nyori kiame kiga kia ODM kia baira sense mu opposition lakini bono the moment kia nyara ukoso ai me serikali koso ya magoro me serikali kwetira broad based timete initiative musenga kibanye abanyiroka nigo bono yarorekaninga ensemo ya Junet Mohamed Oburu Odinga na Boyko Peter Kaluma abani go bale serikali ime kabisa tubwate Babu Wino Sifuna na James Orengo abo bakendete kwambireria serikali Sam kagera ayibirondo chingambi wanchera toligererie nganeyo kumbe polisi wanauzia raia vitoa machozi amangana yegati ya gas canisters emekeberi yechiti ya gas bono niko yarorekaninga abanyanyimbo kusi abasigari na babire bakoneria abantu abakenya bakawaida ametungie yega yechi emekebe yega yechitia gas mugano yo epeji yakane gazeti ene ya Taifa Leo na boigo bodaboda zinaua kuliko magari NTSA onoroboti rokiumbikiri igia NT kurosi kiumbikiri ikieteneta mangana yo bolendi ime yechipara roko tabanga nigo boda kusechi pikipiki chaitira abantu abange kubwanonye n'ekigari kagirete Sam timbwatia yanda mangi ndanyare gukwana korinde kiagerando chengo mugenero nyare wikaiga asi studio eturanyare ko wa bosora nyare ko batebia momere ne litkolyankyo
bono weekend tumere litkolyankyo ase gazeti alafu tumayakoranga ngaki yagendrete asesemeria amagazeti kurende inchasa nsema yane tematenga kwa area yakona na torra na maragoba aye sensema yere dia somurobiri otoerera guchakira chinsebere gwikira chinsa isana na muchia botuko
mbia mono keima mumanyo na onyanchonori ena boigo oyega gotabanga akuwatch koru kemera ward timanya moshime wakia upanara lakini mbia mono sana sikogendra kwa baime yumurobiro Pastor Henry Ayora ereni gavogete mambia akigima kurende bari rero amashabiki eto yechinsa mochiri cha Facebook timanya ase rero litukria rero tawsabo kwa bereki agirantura batu komerara naino kurende gendra kusanga ujumbe cha inogo cha ikasi studio wetiri nambe yo ye studio na boigo manyere tari awo chinse mochiro otubwatete kure mambia bono na boigo ngerengereri kio bwate na litkore rero tuguchukwanira njeraki torabe tokwene abuna omonto kerore asoboiko bwense njeraki oranyare komenya erinde gotiga amangana ari ayengenjo mono asa abantu bande gusakira kuigwa abantu bakwigwa ugwaturwa bakoinyora ase ebinto ogete kwanyarete ko bakorera bire ebyengenjo umono nga a life of purpose obugima obwengenjo mborobyo buiga bomancho murigere kenda gotigara myaka tembe TV kurenda se bono tokogenda umutima komoke
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamuraba chikuya mandege uzito somya bamuraba chikuya mandege
Keroka Technical Training Institute ni shule ambayo utaiaminia kwa masomo ya kiufundi kama vile Building and Civil Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Agriculture and Environmental Studies, Applied Science Department, Computing and Informatics, Modern and Full Equipped Library, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering Department, ambayo wanatoa viwango vyote. Na sasa usajili wa mwezi wa Mei unaendelea. Kwa mengi wapigie simu kwa nambari 0726588558 au 0708330000 au watembelee kwa tovuti ya www www.kerukatechnical.ac.ke. Kumbuka, hii shule iko kilomita 1.5 peke yake kutoka mji mkuu wa Keruka. Mlete mwanao leo ili apate manufaa ya elimu.
Your life.
Eskuria Advent Hope iyo gutukatinsa mukiri cy'amariba nigo ekurwa amasomo asibirengo gucyakerekerigense yani playgroup wika grade 6 aseskuria yani go babwate obukoreri ao nabono mbabwate obukoreri ba boarding ngurwa bali obosombi yani transport system computer ko curriculum activities egati obukoreri bonde obunge nigo bagutuka tsinsa mukiri kya amaliba chimita 200 korasi bara ya Kisi Kligoris asamange bakire esimigwe tarasi chinamba cyabo 0728906780 gose 0722135335. Advent Hope School chinsa mukiri kya amaliba anaurabi kuburusobya bumano ayirira
asaba leta kurupeta kirunje tatera libageri kwakira bayibuli ngambia mono mwabere mo gotwa abana kwikira bona iyo no topet kwenda sumutimoko na togo chake tamwigocha basabira bayibuli motoretera abana amabagati bali tona mbugara make chibese togo sabani chibese chinke chire pocket friendly we are CBC compliant na abali ganira mwensi ase Advent Hope.
Vimat Hardware and Plumber Center ineduka enene iyekonia ebintu ao ebikiranu na ase amagoli amaya kegema nkoni bale chicho echichimanyikaine muna closed cables chichingencho ao na Kerero ichuchikurwa asichi company ao na asamaguli amaye kegema Bitrap toilets boigo nkoni bali chi wash and basins chibirengo ao na kurwa asichi company ao mbabwate and wash cabinets chekerero chingi ya kirage na chibirengo bigoro mono tibweba amagoli abonigo agukwana no mubuko yani amagoli agukwana naye kegema nkoni bali shower mixers chekerero taps gusi tacho ebi ya kigima kurwasi company ao koni bali ebintu byechi bafu gose bathroom accessories buna towel racks soap dispensers tissue holders nebinde ebinge ebiya ensemo ya kitchen gose chokone mbabwate kitchen sinks chibirengo ao echo chirosiri ekerero na kurwasi company ao na si chibirengo beigoro mono mbabwate gate valves non-returns water meters foot valves, PPR fittings, HDPE fittings, edukeboigo, nkoni bale IPS fittings, pressure fittings, GI fittings, ball valves, nebinde ebinge. Mbabwate gutter fittings, PPR rolls, na PTG gutters. Asensemu yende, mbabwate waste pipes, aseboigo, bakoni chitanki chamache, chibirengo ao